Hola estudiantes, bienvenidos a la clase de español. This lesson is for the week of November 9th. Estudiantes, if you came to my class this week, you do not want me to watch this lesson. You can start on the CISA assignment right away. Estudiantes, today we are going to talk about las formas geométricas, las figuras geométricas. So for our next check-in question, we'll spend some time learning the names of the shapes in Espanol. If you're watching this at home, please take out a whiteboard and a marker, a pencil, or a notebook, and get ready to do some drawing and some writing. You can press pause and get your materials, and then press play when you are ready to continue. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to draw these figuras geométricas, okay? Draw them on your paper or whiteboard. Do your very, very best to make them just like this. It's a little tricky to do it using my mouse on the computer, but I think I'm almost done. Yes. Okay, estudiantes, after you write down after you draw the shapes, let's get ready to write the names, okay? So the first one is triángulo. Triángulo, make sure that you're practicing saying that out loud, triángulo. Triángulo tiene tres lados, okay? So a triangle has three sides. El que sigue es círculo. Círculo es así. El próximo es un cuadro, or you can say cuadrado, okay? So you can say cuadro, or you can say cuadrado. Cuadro, cuadrado is a square, and a square has four equal sides. Okay, el rectángulo tiene dos lados largos y dos largos más cortos, okay? Rectángulo is a rectangle, y al final, el último es un óvalo. Óvalo. Ok, muy bien, estudiantes. Puedes tomar una foto de tu pizarrón o tu papel y mándamelo por CISA. Quiero ver tu trabajo, ok? So make sure that you take a picture of your work and send it to me on CISA. Okay, so that's for our check-in. Let's look at our schedule, nuestro horario. Hoy, we will practice ordering comida from a menu. Then we will look at our tarea for this week on CISA. And the last thing that we'll do, we will play el juego del tesoro, okay? So let's get started. Estudiantes, for a few weeks now, you have been learning a lot of words in Espanol that have to do with la comida, okay? And then you also spend some time designing a menu in a food truck, okay? And today we are going to practice ordering in Espanol. So we're gonna pretend that we go to a restaurant. We're at a restaurant, and the people that work at the restaurant only speak Spanish, okay? No worries, because guess what? Today you are gonna practice ordering all by yourself. These two beautiful menus belong to two estudiantes. The first one belongs to Cesar. He created this menu on the left, and then the menu on the right was created by Estelle. They both did a really, really good job, and we're gonna use their menus to order today, okay? So if you are at home, make sure that you have that whiteboard out so you can write the sentence, okay? We're gonna organize ourselves, okay? So we're gonna start with looking at the beautiful menus that our friends created, and you're going to choose 3 foods, 3 comidas que vas a encargar, okay? So let's see. Yo quiero encargar panqueques. ¿Qué más? Tocino y huevo. Okay, so we're going to pick 3 things. 3 cosas, okay? And let's see. Let's practice saying that. Hola, ¿me puede dar panqueques, tocino y huevo? Gracias. Now your turn. Write down the 3 things that you want to order and practice saying it out loud. Hola, ¿me puede dar panqueques, tocino y huevo? Gracias. Beautiful. Okay, estudiantes. Okay, so the next thing that we'll do right now is we're going to look at our tareas, our homework, okay? Because for homework, you're going to practice doing this again, okay? So let me clear this out and go to our homework page. Okay, so let's look at our directions, or let's listen to the directions for this week.
Hola, estudiantes. If you came to class this week, you do not have to watch the video and can start on the assignment right away. Listen to the directions a few times to make sure that you understand exactly what to do. This week, you will practice ordering at a pretend restaurant in Spanish. Remember, we practiced this in class, and I know that you can do it. Listen to my recording on the assignment for some help if you get stuck. 1. Tap on Add Response button. 2. Read the menu and choose at least 3 things to order. 3. Practice ordering out loud a few times before you record your voice. You're going to say, Hola, ¿me puede dar y gracias? Estudiantes, when I said that's when you fill in the blank with the things that you want to order in Español. 4. After you've practiced, tap on the mic and record your voice ordering in Español. 5. When you are happy with your work, tap on the green check button.
Okay, estudiantes, so we just did that right now. And for homework, you get to do it again, okay? I want to hear your voice. So make sure that you press the record button and you record your voice saying, Hola, ¿me puede dar? And then you get to pick the 3 things that you want to order in Español. Make sure that you say them in Español. Practice a couple of times before you hear that record button. And estudiantes, if you forget how to say something in Español, you can just press right here, this little play button. And I helped you out a little bit. Listen to my recording so you remember how to say those things in Español. Okay, great. Now we get to play a game. Vamos a jugar un juego, okay? Vamos a jugar el juego del tesoro, the treasure game, okay? So if you're watching at home, we're going to make it super fun for you. You can play maybe with somebody at your house, or you can play by yourself, okay? So I am not going to tell the estudiantes when or which one I'm going to ask them to find first, okay? So make sure that you are ready, okay? Use your brain. You know this, okay? Okay, so busca, find. Busca una fresa, una fresa. Estudiantes, si no tienes una fresa en tu casa, puedes dibujar una. If you don't have a fresa at your house, you can look for one. Busca una fresa. You can press pause while you look or you draw. And then press play when you are ready to go and look for another one. Sign in. Okay, the next one. Busca una zanahoria. Zanahoria. Busca una zanahoria. If you do not have a zanahoria, then go ahead and draw a zanahoria. Zanahoria. The next one. Busca la leche. La leche. Busca la leche. If you do not have leche, draw a picture of a leche. Show it to your brother or sister. Show it to an adult at your house. Busca la leche. Okay, remember to press pause while you're looking for these, okay? Press play when you're ready to find the next one. Ahora busca un pan. Busca un pan. If you do not have a pan, haz un dibujo de un pan. Beautiful. And the last one, busca un plátano. Un plátano. Draw a picture of a plátano if you do not have one. Beautiful. Okay, estudiantes, if you can come to class next week, it's even more fun to do this assignment, to play this game with everybody together, okay? But if you couldn't make it this week, no worries. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much, everybody. I will see you tomorrow for game time. Se cuidan. Adios.